are the team Idea Incubators, presenting advanced DNPR and FRS solution. My name is Prayak Sahu and I am the leader of the team Idea Incubators and working on OCR, Optical Character Recognition. Now over to you, Satya.
Hello, my name is Satya. So let us understand the market scenario of ANPR and FRS system. So the ANPR and FRS system are growing in demand in industries such as law enforcement and transportation. The ANPR system is expected to reach $3.8 billion by 2025 and FRS system is expected to reach $9.6 billion by 2025 with its major market problems like high cost of implementation, maintenance of system and privacy issues. Now let us have a look at how our project will solve the existing problems. So the database we are using is BigQuery, which will make our project scalable. The data set we are using is OpenAlpra. To integrate our project with the existing cameras, we will use Raspberry Pi, which will make our project cost effective. Then we will use CNN, which is convolutional neural network, SUM, GVN, and various other forest algorithms for the face recognition system, which will make our project flexible, reliable, and cost effectively. Overall, this approach will enable us to handle a huge amount of license plate data efficiently and cost effectively. Now, Sumit will explain the flow of the data.
Now let us understand that what is the use of ANPR and FRS. ANPR and FRS is used to identify vehicle and public security and the law enforcement. Now let us focus that how ANPR works. ANPR works by using the camera. It actually captures the license plate. With the help of this, we are able to analyze the character of it, which is helping us to recognize the vehicle is authentic or not for a particular area. Now let us know about what is FRS and how it works. FRS actually captures the image of the faces. It helps us to identify the individual. As we know that every individual is having unique features. Now the benefits of ANRS and FRS. It improves the public safety and the security measures.
Now let us understand technology stack. We are using Python for programming language, as we all know that it is a high-level programming language. Next, we use various algorithms like convolutional neural network, support vector machines, random forest, and gradient boosting machines for classification and regression tasks. And then k-nearest neighbors, again for classification and regression tasks.
Okay, my name is Surya, and I will describe the use cases of ANPR and FRS. Let us understand how ANPR and FRS will work by the case flow diagram. So first, for the FRS face recognition system. So actually we know that the camera captures us and everyone has their unique face and their qualities. For example, when camera will capture us, so it will recognize us by our facial expression like nose, eyes and ear, lips. It will recognize us by, there is a formula which is called eigen face value. Through this, it will recognize our face and it will help us to analyze that who is that person. And after that, it will send to the back office and then to the admin. And let's understand how ANPR will work. ANPR means Advanced Number Plate Recognition System. ANPR will, for example, when the vehicle is going on, then our camera will capture the number plate of that vehicle, and it will scan the number plate, and it will be sent to our data server, and then it will recognize and analyze the number system, and after that it will be sent to the back office, and after that it will be sent to the admin. I will hand over to Rohit.
Thank you, Surya. And I am the cloud infrastructure and myself, Rohit Chaudhary, and I am here to define the dependencies. At first, software libraries and frameworks such as OpenCV and TensorFlow, Keras, and NumPy is used for image processing, machine learning, and data analysis. Hardware components such as Raspberry Pi, cameras, and sensors for data collection and processing. Cloud services such as Google Cloud Platforms and BigQuery for storage analysis and scalability is used. APIs and protocols for integrating with legacy systems and external databases. Operating systems and drivers for the hardware and software components are also used. Now I am going to hand over the showstopper to Sania. Thank you.
My name is Tanya and I'm going to tell about the showstopper. So, in our showstopper, we have accuracy of vehicle recognition, integration with legacy system, maintenance and support, user acceptance and adoption. To address these showstopper, we'll take the following actions. We'll conduct rigorous testing and validation of the system, establish clear integration and maintenance procedure, and provide comprehensive training and support to the end users, and at the last we'll communicate the benefits and impact of the system on their daily operation, and all these are also the USP of our project. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.